For top-notch and budget-friendly dumpster rental services in Northport, Florida, look no further than Big Dawg Dumpsters. Whether tackling a home renovation, conducting a large-scale clean-out, or managing a landscaping project, we have the perfect waste disposal solution. Our driveway dumpsters are designed to handle all your waste management needs, from household junk to construction debris and yard waste. With various sizes available, you can choose the ideal dumpster to fit your project, ensuring efficient and effective waste disposal. Renting locally with Big Dawg Dumpsters means you benefit from quick delivery, personalized service, and competitive Northport FL rental prices. Don't let waste management become a hassle. Visit our website at www.bigdogfl.com or call 743-244-3294 to learn more about our services and secure the best driveway dumpster rental. Our team is dedicated to providing exceptional customer service, helping you plan, select the right dumpster size, and understand local regulations to maximize the benefits of our services. Experience the convenience and reliability of Big Dawg Dumpsters and make your next project a success with our top-tier waste management solutions.